Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto E6S and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the Gmail application. Then just click here to the right upper corner, and if you want to log out from Gmail account in the Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to this account and click remove account. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account again, tap to yes if you are sure. Use your one from your unlock methods. In my case, this is pattern. You can use your PIN code or passcode. So now we can see that in Google account settings we successfully log out from Gmail account, and let's go back to the application and we can see that in app we also log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.